What makes Inishmaan unique? What makes Inishmaan unique? This small island in the Aran Islands off the west coast of Ireland has so much to offer. First, it is the smallest and quietest of the three Aran Islands, with around 180 residents. This low population means fewer tourists, allowing for a peaceful and authentic experience. Visitors can truly immerse themselves in the local culture and lifestyle. The primary language spoken here is Irish, also known as Gaelic. This dedication to preserving the language adds a special charm to the island. You can hear it in the conversations of the locals and even in the music played in the pubs. Inishmaan is a rugged limestone island that is part of the Aran region on the mainland. Its rocky terrain is not suitable for farming, which has shaped the traditional way of life for its inhabitants. You will find winding stone walls and narrow rural roads, known as borings, that create a picturesque setting. The coastline features dramatic cliffs that overlook the Atlantic Ocean, offering stunning views and a sense of seclusion. The island is home to well-preserved archaeological sites, which are a testament to its rich history. One of the most famous sites is Dún Chonchúir, also known as Connor's Fort. This impressive oval-shaped fortress sits on a hilltop and provides breathtaking views of the surrounding area. Another notable site is Dún Fearbhaí, which is unique for its square shape, differing from the more common round forts found elsewhere. Culturally, Inishmaan is vibrant. Traditional Irish music is alive and well here, especially in the local pub, Teach Ósta. Visitors can enjoy live music sessions, making for a truly immersive experience. The island's strong community ties mean that Irish heritage is actively practiced, not just showcased for tourists. For those looking to visit, Inishmaan offers practical amenities. There are small restaurants and guided tours available, often conducted by horse and cart or minibus. This allows visitors to explore the island's natural beauty and historical sites at a leisurely pace. Its close proximity to the cliffs of Moher and the Aran makes it a convenient base for further exploration of the region. Inishmaan's uniqueness lies in its combination of a vibrant Irish-speaking community, distinctive limestone scenery, significant archaeological sites, and a tranquil way of life. This island is a perfect choice for travelers seeking an authentic and serene experience in Ireland.